Let's work through a very common problem for freelancers, which is invoicing. We're going to write some work we do here, the date, the number of hours we do, and a rate, where we can get that rate from here, settings. So we create a very basic invoice here, and what we're going to do is we're going to make sure we're filtering the start and end dates so that we only bill or invoice for work that we've done within a certain range, inclusive of those dates. So we want to say the entire month of April. And then we're also going to get the sum of hours and then total that to have the total bill so that our invoicing or billing is super easy. So we have a few examples here. We have like March and April. Now, if I went over to invoice and I just did filter range, it's going to be timesheet. We're going to get A, B, and C, but we're going to condition. The condition is going to be that B is greater than or equal to, and we're going to click over here to our invoice, the start date. We're also going to add another comma and do exactly the same thing, B, except it'll be less than or equal to, and then we're going to go back and click the end date. So now we have everything we've done within this month of April because we have the start date of April 1st. If we choose March 1st to March 31st, you see our dates change. So we have very different billing. For hours, what we can do here is we can do a sum, right, of whatever is here, but we might not know exactly how far down to go. So what we can do is this is actually super simple. We can take this same filter and we would filter B column, but we actually just need the hours column. So we need C:C, and then we're going to do a sum of that. So wrap the entire filter by the sum. The issue might be that if we have nothing here, you'll get an NA. So I go if NA, I add that there, and add a nothing there for that NA. There. So now if there happens to be nothing there, like if we choose maybe the wrong year, we have 0 instead of like an error or even 1. Here we can do the same thing, wrap filter with if NA, and just put nothing. Okay, but now we need our billing. So we did just F6, the number of hours, times the rate here in the settings. You can do that in a separate cell if you want, or not. But let's say go back to 24, and now we have a pretty simple way to bill invoice. We can always file, download, PDF, and we can set some parameters here if we wish, and export a PDF super easily to bill next time we need billing done. Just keep writing in the timesheet here, and we have an automatic billing.